dutangiye episode ya gatatu ya Freakishi. Incamake kuri Freakishi. Bibyose nibyo twabonye muri episode ya kabiri ni ya mbere.
It's not a drill. The chemical plant's on fire.
Umva chemical plant yafashwe mu muriro.
Because what happened out there.
Ati papa yakunda gutega ibisasu biri chemicale. Nibyo twabonye. Boss. Bapfuye.
Tape off all the windows and doors to limit.
Kweza tukumema indani tufunga amadirisha n'imiryango.
There could be more of them out there.
Ati hano hanze harimo arazi ibindi. Koji twabonye yariwe. Adi. Aruma Gashya mugenzi.
You okay?
Meze neza?
Personally.
Cyane meze neza. Kaga kobwa ka Mary kariwe. Gashya ka Groove. Karaje mugenzi. Kaje hakuno. Mary musaza wakavayo.
You okay? Natalie's looking for you.
Umva umeze neza. Natalie arimo aragushaka.
You worry too much.
Na urahangayika cyane.
It's kind of what a big brother does.
Ariko ngamusaza nibyo ngomba gukora.
Yeah, well, it's so freaking annoying. It's like
rero njye binera umujinya ukomeza kumbaza umeze neza buri kanya.
you have some sixth sense that I'm not okay with.
Mbanza siziye musaza nitameze neza kubera uri murambangamira buri kanya murambaza umeze neza.
I so clearly am.
Meze neza na kibazo ariko baravuga mugizi gafite makanu. Arahumekera hejuru. Ntashaka kubabaza musaza we cyangwa kumuhangayikisha. Nicara iruhande.
I know what you're going through.
Ati byiri muraca mu ndabizi.
Somehow I don't think that you do.
Ndacekana na kimuzi.
I was down there too, you know.
Erega nanjye ari hasi nari mpari. Sasa umusore azi yuko ibyo kabonye byagateye ubwoba.
We saw horrible things in that shelter.
Twabonye ibintu biteye ubwoba muri kiriya cyumba abakoci bari barimo. Ntagaramenya ko mushiki we yariwe. Grover.
I got bit.
Narumwe. Tamwereka kuguru kwa cyane cyamuteye amenyo.
Daddy.
Ati Adi yandumye. Saza we yikangamo. Yo. Yikangamo. Buricyavuga.
You think it's gonna happen to me?
Ese bro, uracekara kiri bumbeho.
Nothing.
Ntacyakubaho.
It's gonna happen to you. We just need to stay calm.
Well, you don't see me.
Ntacyakubaho kigomba gukora no gutuza.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Naye nagumeze neza ameze neza nta kibazo ngiye.
Just give me a second. Okay?
Amakanya nitekerezo. Sibyo?
It really hurts.
Birababaza ariko.
I don't know if I'm gonna get sick.
Sinzi nanye niba nanduye nongeye kurwara.
Do you think she gave this to
Mary,
me?
it's just a bite.
Warumwe ntabirenze.
You didn't go outside.
Ntago wagiye ujya hanze, ntago ugeze usohoka.
Right?
Uranyumva? Humura ko utagiye hanze. Nicyo gisubizo. Ariko ibagiye hanze nawe wakabaye wanduye.
You're fine.
Bivuze ngo umeze neza aramukomeza nkamushiki we.
As far as we know.
Sahubwo tubizi babiri ntacyo.
Mary. Nothing is gonna happen to you.
Humura ntakiri bukubeho.
I won't let it.
Kandi nubwo natumare kikubaho.
Okay.
Sibyo? Utuze.
I'm gonna go get you some bandages.
Deka nyene saki za bandage cyangwa ibipfuko ndagaruka kandi wicara gumaho. Sasa babirimo bazibanga ryabo Mary na musaza wende Grover Jones. Yakira aha sasa.
Mary, we need to do inventory while they barricade the doors.
Yewe sa Mary tugomba kugira barricades ku miryango ifunze. Je muri cafeteria tureko twapakira ibyo kurya. Dore hanze. Kirere cyose cyangiritse. Uyu kukuza hakuno nawe. Aza muri ka pharmacy k'ikigo, muri ka clinic. Pakira ibiti. Za bande. Pakira ibyibanze. Urukoro ibiki n'ibiki. Hano no gufata ibinini byose. Yewe urakora icyo.
Hey.
Yewe.
Found it.
Ajara shana ndabibonye.
Not feeling very good.
Man, numva nameze neza.
Should we be worried?
Ase duhangayike natwe se.
It's just a small fever, that's all.
Numvaga akantu k'umuriro nameze neza afite magasereri.
Just sleep it off.
Ariko ni njyama birashira.
Since when does a fever need hydrogen peroxide?
None se kuba ufite umuriro nibyo bituma ufata hydrogen peroxide.
When do you care?
Ase birakureba wowe kumbaza byinshi. Umuntu utwara imiti y'igike. Bano na muri kantini. Pakira ibyo kurya.
Those go in this row. See?
Yewe twerekeza hakuno hino.
So that's 53 cans from.
Hano tumaze gushira amacupa 53.
No, your count is off.
Man kubara nabe ni 51.
Pounds.
Katangiye gucanganyikirwa.
But that should still last us until we get rescued.
Bino biratumaza amasaha n'amasegonda biradusunika.
Depending on who finds us first.
Mbere yuko bitubona se.
Are you okay?
Ase kuvuga ukuntu umeze neza.
I'm just hungry.
Ndashonje gusa.
Do you have any more soup?
Hano se waba ufite indi sosi?
Yeah, like the kind you had earlier, the chicken and rice.
bya biryo wariye kare isupu y'inkoko n'umuceri.
Right.
Umuceri
But that was over 5 hours ago.
ibyo biryo uri kumbwana biriya amasaha 5 yashize.
Did you know?
Wamenye gute?
I smelled it on your breath.
Imihumekere yawe nabihumuriwe.
Is that like some party trick you do, or
Hasi ibyo bintu murakora cyangwa se
part bloodhound?
waba ufite mu rubaraga rudasanzwe se? Sasa umukobwa senses z'umubiri we atangiye guhumurirwa ibiryo mugenzi we yariye kare ngo arimo arabihumeka byumva. Bivuze ngo amazuru atangiye kuba active arimo ararehareha.
I don't know.
Sinzi uko bigenze gusa. Ntacyo.
Situation of our lives.
Tubanze tuze tugeze ku buzima bwacu bwa none aha.
Clearly.
Ariko byo kuba amazuru yari sensitive cyane akurura cyane nabyo ni byiza. Niba bitindaho umwana atangiye guhinduka yiswe freakish turi kuri episode ya 3 nakubwira cyane Sankara ba premier wumva.
You working on the radio?
Uracyakora kuri radio se?
Nice work. Any progress?
Ni byiza kabisa akazi ni keza ariko hari icyo kimaze kugeraho se.
We have a signal.
Hano dufite sinyare.
Need to get someone to hear us.
Ahubwo tugerageze turebe ko hari umuntu watwumva aho ari. Arangije hari ibyo yakuyeyo.
Our medical inventory.
Ibyo ne bijyanye n'imiti.
And that is all the shit Grover took.
Ati ni imiti mugenzi wacu yatwaye sinzayijyanye. Wa undi Groove.
He doesn't strike me as much of a doctor.
None se ibintu bivuga ko ntabizi.
Give a reason?
Hari impamvu subimaye.
Well, he said he had a fever.
Ambwiye ko afite umuriro afite akantu k'akamararia.
Or he wanted to be with you.
Cyangwa ashaka kuba ari kumwe nawe.
He seemed off his game though.
Bisa nkaho yatari yo mikino arimo.
You seem fairly on your game.
Bisa nkaho nawe tutwara neza muri uwo mukino w'urukundo hagati yawe na Groove.
I mean,
for a detention train wreck.
Bashaka kuvuga byari byatumye aza mu hano se.
Your words?
Ayo ni amagambo yasigi bivuze.
Mine? So you were in for vandalism?
Hasi waba bagiye muri vandalism cyangwa? Oya.
Contraband.
Icyatumye se ugumari ari cyari iki?
Murder.
Ubwicanyi.
See, I kill computer nerds.
Nica abantu babaswe nkamwe mukunda kwiga cyane computer.
Interesting. More than one.
Wishurenza umwe se.
Just the curious one.
Abanyamatsiko nkaye nibo bavuga ubusa nibo mitana. Bazaba barasana. Aguma ku cyombo.
Day. This is Kent High School.
Yewe ni Kent High School.
9 survivors.
Hari abantu 9 basigaye.
Repeat. Mayday.
Sasa urebe abanyeshuri uyu nguyu byizwe ngo arimo arahamagara hanze arebe ko bakominikana nawe nta nubwo mikoro icometse. Bisa nk'arimo arafenta bagenzi be.
Hi Mary, I got the stuff.
Mary nabonye imiti. Kumbe kugeraho Mary yararaho bacurangira. Yagiye kare. Aya ya mwanda. Avaye n'imiti ifite mu gakapu. Kumba banabo bibaba yabo.
Okay, now it's not really the time.
Mbashe ndetse cyatari cyo gihe.
It's not it. There's a problem.
Cyo nagari cyo kibazo.
100 problems.
Mba dufite ibibazo birenze ijana.
Not like this.
Dushaka kwitera ikindi gishingiye cy'urumogi.
Okay, how much more do you have?
None ufite ibimogi bingana iki?
Less than a day.
Ibyo mfite ntabwo byandengereza umunsi. Sasa hakuno. Wa mukobwa Mary. Imara biri byo bitunguranye. Arimo araswetinga buri kanya. Za hakuno. Bagenzi be. Ntagarema arahuza nabo akomeza hakuno. Nudo.
Hey Mary.
Bite Mary.
So you have a companion?
Nawe nsanga ufite muri kumwe.
From Mrs. Shear's room?
Wakuye mu cyuma cya shiri cyane.
Yes, he is.
Arashonje kano kantu kanye nifiti hano.
Still on the night watch?
Yeah.
Murari joro muri kumwe cyane.
He's hell.
Hanze aracyari icyitwa igihu ntabwo agaragara.
You look dazed.
Hasi ko musa n'umuntu urushye.
Did you get in my locker?
Ese ugeze muri locker yanjye?
No, I
Nana.
have a headache.
Mfite umutwe ariko ntabwo meze neza. Nkeneye kuruhuka.
Alright.
Sawa.
Say goodnight, Mr. Oink.
Nsa onkira musezere.
Night, Mr. Oink.
Onkira uramuki. Kobwa afite akantu k'umunaniro buri wese kumaza aramureba akabimenya. Aza hakuno. Hano imiryango yose barayifunze bakubise iki? Ibibaho. Kureba hanze. Si umeze neza biraho. Gize gutyo. Aricaje abantu bantu za zombie hanze. Aga maina we hera tave. Kobwa ndagikanga Kobwa afite mikibaraga. Giye cyegera inyuma. yewe
What are you doing?
bakora iki hano musaza we
Mary, what happened?
ibi byageze biti
No.
kobwa ntacyo
Let's get you bandaged up.
ngaho tugere mushyiraho za bande ndanagupfuke sasa ntibwatinze zaku namushyiraho ka rukoro hanagura aho yakomeretse ese ngiye gupfa ntabwo uri bupfe humura
All we know is you've got a bite.
icyo tuzi cyo nuko wari umwe
It's a small but gnarly bite.
ni akantu gatoya wari umwe ntabirenze nta kantu wakwandura
What are you gonna do if I change?
none se nimpinduka bro urakora iki
You can't think like that.
ibyo ntabwo ari byo ugomba gutekereza
I can already feel it happening.
kandi natangiye kubyiyumvamo uko birimo biraba ndimo ndahinduka indani ndi kubyiyumvamo
Natalie had soup this morning and somehow I knew.
natari ibintu yariye mu gitondo namwegeye numva muri we arimo arabihumeka byamwinjije mu maraso
Let me guess, you smelt it on her breath?
ye wumvishe natari bimuhumuraho amazuru yanjye atangiye gukora ibintu umuntu yariye mu gitondo ndimo namwumva bihumeka indani muri we sister
You're still warm.
ndumva ugishyushye
I'll go get you some water.
kajyane ngushakira amazi sibyo aracyane ukeneye
Cake.
nkeneye test cake
Right. I'll see if there's one left.
ndaza kureba niba hari indi isigaye wowe tuzi ugumaho sibyo ndakuzanira sasa hakuno mu kigo ntiyabura binjiza utuyoga utuntu nk'utwo uyakiraho acaho bya biryo byo mu bikombe ahantu ari ni muri za loka abanyeshuri babika ibintu byabo maniga afite umunyururu wazi icyamutera cyose bagigira yitonze kumbe ni nyamunini kiri kinyururu hasi rikanga
Hungry?
ashonje na
I realize it's not a free-for-all, but this is not what you think.
ati rwose nabizi ko ibiryo bitemerewe kuba byabikwa na buri umwe ariko ntabwo ari byo utekereza sanga amaniga arimo ari ibi biryo umukobwa wabipakiye wowe uzatekereza niba utekereza iki
I think you've been stealing food.
ndakeka uri muri ibi byo kurya
It's not that much.
ntabwo ari byinshi nibyo ariko
Get all.
mbabarira ntubijyane abikuramo
Seriously? What is this, like 10 cans?
uducupa icumi twose ujyanye
Explain.
nagusobanurira
Doctor prescribed.
muganga arabinegetse
Yeah, because there's 2 of you to feed.
yagutegetse kurya amwitegereje
How far along are you?
ifite amezi angahe kumbe umukobwa mugenzi aratwite muganga yamutegetse ibiporezo bihagije
8 months.
ndifite amezi 8
You can't tell anyone.
ariko ndakunyuza nugira umuntu ubwira ko nwite n'ukuri
You can't do this on your own.
ibi ntabwo wabyicoboza na situation turimo inda si ikintu cyo guhisha
Look around you.
manzura yaba bituzengurutse
No one is gonna help. No.
nta muntu uri bumfashe ntabwo ari nonaha
All they're gonna see is a big mistake.
icyo bari bubone nuko nakoze amakosa ahambaye
Not a mistake.
wa mukobwa uri umuswe gutwita nta kosa ririmo
Trust me.
nyizera
This.
ibi byari
I
byarigeze
even told my own parents about it.
n'ababyeyi banjye ubwabo sindababwira ko ntwite maniga arambwira ati inda mu bibazo turimo ntabwo ari ikintu cyo guhisha maniga arangije mugenzi nk'umuntu
We all have secrets.
ati twese muri isi tugira amabanga yacu umura ntabwo nakuvamo ibiryo ntiyabijyana disi ahitamo kumuhishira sasuye nawe arimo ararwana no gufasha mushiki we
Sure know how to treat a girl.
ariko umusore mbanza uzi gufata neza abakobwa
Are you following me?
hasi urimo urankurikirana
Little twin.
rwose ni nk'andi manga yawe ariko mbi ushaka kuvuga iki
I mean, you're usually not a dick.
ndakeka ko utari umusore w'umuswa cyangwa umusore mubi
This may come as a shock to you, but my
hasi biragutunguye ko arimo anafasha
world
umuntu
does not revolve around you.
ntabwo abantu bose isura yagizenguruka kuri wowe gusa abantu winesha umutwe
Mayday. Do you read?
mayday do you read
Mayday.
mayday sasa uyibuke arimo arigira nk'umuntu uri guhamagara ubundi bufasha kandi mikoro iracomoye
All right, it's done.
nta byose byaciyemo
Boys in.
nta muntu uravugana se
Look?
nta mahirwe nta muntu witaba
We still here, ain't we?
ewe nta muntu turumva nawe kabisa
You mean despite all your technical wizardry?
If the freaks get in, I can still outrun you.
mwana ngerega nawe ubona ko nta kimwe uramishyiramo
Don't forget that.
ibyo ntubyibagirwe
Here's our tally of food. We
dore
have
ibiryo twari dufite ngibi ngibi
enough to last for a while.
dore urebe igihe biri bumare
Quantify a while.
nta biratumaze akanya da
With careful rationing, just under 2 weeks.
icyo nabaza cyo nuko twabigabana hagati yacu ibyumweru bibiri.
It won't last that long.
Ntago byamara ibyumweru bibiri. Ati ntago turumara ibyumweru bibiri tukibazimo.
They know we're in here.
Birabizwe sasa umukobwa Mary atanya bwa ati ibiri hanze za zombie zirabizwe turimo indani.
They know we're in here.
They know we're in here. Ati zombies zirabizwe turimo indani.
The freaks?
The freaks ziranze?
Yeah, I didn't notice any.
Ntacyo nigeze menya njyewe.
You have to know where to look.
Ncerekane butanareba.
They hide in the haze.
Birimo birisha muri kiriya gihu.
But they're coming.
Usibye ko birimo biraza.
They're trying to get in.
Birimo baragerageza kwinjira. Kobwa se nkari marababwira ibintu biri bube ariko abantu bagasobanukirwa.
Let them try.
Reka bagerageza kwinjira maninga bahazura urumogi afite bati mu ntoki.
Your strength won't be enough.
Imbaraga zawe ntago zagije musore.
They know where you're hiding.
Bimenya aho wihishe kubera impumeko yawe.
They can sense things that we don't.
Byabishaka kuba byakumva natwe ibintu tutabasha kumva.
Okay, this freshman chick's really
Kobwa
freaking
arimo
me.
aradukanga bana cyangwa.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
Bako nta butaka nta wakwanga nibyo.
They can't even get through the shelter doors.
Nta nubwo byarenga ku miryango buryo ifunze.
Not yet.
Ntago igihe kiragera pe.
I don't scare that easily.
Ntago njye ntacyo gipfa kunkanga gutyo gusa peti. Nta kintu gipfa kunkanga nkuko bitekereza.
Yes, you do.
Ahubwo ugira ubwoba bw'ikirenga.
You're a pretender.
Usibye ko uri umuntu uzi kurenzaho pretender. Wigira nkaho nta bwoba ufite kandi niwe bwa mbere buri nyabwoba.
Did I pretend to build a radio?
No, ni radio narigize nkaho ndimo ndayubaka se.
They can smell your fear.
Biriya bintu bishaka guhumurirwa n'ubwoba bwawe.
What about you?
Naho wowe.
How long do you think you'll last?
Wewe urakeka kuri umara igihe kingana iki? Sangusekamo fa kuba nkubwiye.
I'm gonna say it now.
Mwana njye kwivuga none aha.
That girl is high as.
Kobwa niba tasinze.
Funny.
Ahubwo arasekeje.
Thinking the same thing.
Nani mbere gutekereza.
Better keep an eye on Mary.
Bibaye byiza uyu mukobwa umuntu yamuhozaho ijisho. Sasa bikangamo. Uyu mukobwa umuntu amuhozaho ijisho. Mary kubera kwiheba. Ari kumva muri atangiye guhinduka. Azakuno gucuranga. Mu kigo Mary nta kandi kazi munyonzi. Pacuranga uruhu rwatangiye korohera. Imirya y'intango y'ibwa ikamukata. Mugenzi uruhu rwe rwatangiye guhinduka bushikarete. Kaga kobko kari hakuno. Kamwe Grover atereta mu kigo avayo.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Ase kundeba nabi ari cyo ufite nawe.
Are you okay?
Meze neza mata?
I don't like you.
Nago nkunda mukobwa we.
So get in line.
Ngaho rero jya mu murongo.
Use boys.
Kunda gukoresha abasore.
And who are you to judge?
None uri n'untira urubanza.
You don't know me.
Ntago nzi.
Brother's one of a kind.
Musaza wanjye nagomba kumera nkabo.
Do you understand me?
Uranyumva?
He is not a toy.
Musaza wanjye nagari ikinisho cyawe.
He's gentle.
No musore mwiza muto kandi witonda.
Treat him that way.
Nagari kugomba kumufata.
Not even with your brother.
Umvana ngo nkunda na musaza wawe.
Look after him.
Bibaye byiza wamwitonda kumufataho neza.
You take care of him.
Ugenda
Or I
umwitaho
will hunt you down.
cyangwa nzaguhiga.
Do you understand?
Uranyumva?
I don't know what your damage is,
Mwana sinzi ikibazo ufite cyo mu mutwe.
but we're all doing our best here.
Gusa hano buri umwe aragiza gukora ibyo ashoboye. Sazo wakabwa na afite mu mutwe abanye. Kumbe ka Mary katangiye guhinduka. Gasura katangiye guhinduka umweru. Karangije. Maraso ari mu rwunyunyu. Sasa uyu nawe agira gutya abandi bose bahavuye. Hano afite kapini acomekamo hano. Yarangiza yambara bya headphones comeka mikoro.
Keyword.
Ijambo ry'ibanga
Flashpoint Zulu.
Flashpoint Zulu. Sasa bisa nkaho radio irimo irakorana n'abantu waza ariko maniga yibayishe.
Welcome back, Zulu.
Urakaza neza Zulu. Niyo code hano bakoresha kugira bamenye ko ari gwe. Arimo aravugana n'abanza abandi batabizi. Yabwatinze. Hano harabari gusonga.
That's your meds.
Bari muri ibi miti sha.
Is that true?
Byaba ari ukuri. Bakiriye amakuru.
Violent.
Yeah, she was
Violent.
So
nta mukobwa yari ahangayitse Violet
we.
natwe twahangayitse
I wasn't stashing anything.
nta kintu ndimo ndeba mwana
I went to the medic's office because I
nagiye muri biro y'aho babika imiti
was feeling sick.
You don't look
numvaga ndwaye
sick.
umwana ntabwo usa nk'umuntu urwaye
Your sister was worried too.
nta mushiki we yari ahangayitse
She just went off the deep end on all of us.
yagiye natwe tubikamo ikintu cy'ubwoba
Said we was gonna die.
bisa nkaho yaragiye gupfa
She did?
atubwira ngo natwe tugiye gupfa
Yeah, she
yabivuze
did.
yabivuze mwana
What aren't you telling us?
hasi nicyo urimo duhisha bro nicyo uri guhisha papa
There's nothing. We're all good here.
mwana ntacyo ndimo ndahisha twese tumeze neza
Bullshit. What are you hiding?
mwana tubwire urimo urahisha iki
We'll get your meds back.
muhumure imiti ndayisubizayo
But you need to get out of my way right
icyo mukeneye mumve mu nzira ntambuke batangira guserera
The counselor said I don't respond well to threats.
umva mwana ntabwo dushaka ibintu byo kutubeshya kuna tubikamo ubwoba butari ngombwa
the point.
bafite ingingo
Easy.
byoroshye mwana
Come on, man. Let him go.
mureke agende bro mureke Rova arikomereza kugera hano asanga mushiki we
Mary?
amanota yayataye
Oh my God.
mana nyagasani
What happened?
ntabwo si ibyabaye
I never know before.
aya manota nacuranga nari nyazi kuva na mbere kumbe darimo aracuranga n'imirya yacitse kare
What's happening?
bro nibyo uri kumbaho sesta humura kozi watangiye guhinda umuriro
You can't tell them about this.
utagira icyo babwira sibyo
They're
babarira
gonna want to lock me up.
ndabizi barahita bashyira mu kato muri karantini baramfungirana
I'm not going to tell any of the others, but Mary, they're starting to ask questions.
umva ndabizi nta muntu ndi bwawe ko Mary batangiye kumbaza ibibazo byinshi
And I can't do
Well, then
anything
stall.
about it.
ntacyo nabikora mwaceceka basi
Tell them that I'm resting.
ngagenda babwire ko nduhutse basi umfungirane njyenyine
Buy us time, please.
basi migiye ndi kumwe bro ndakwinginze babe mfungira nawe benshi ko nduhutse batangiye kubaza byinshi ntabwo naguhishira
But don't move.
ariko utavana sibyo ugumemo hano paka gakobwa mugenzi katangiye guhinduka
I don't know.
simbizi
Set. I'm telling you, the codes were set.
sasa umukobwa kubera ko amatwi ye bakurura cyane
I don't know what to do.
arimo arumva abantu bose bari kuvuga ijambo ry'ibanga hari ibikemereye ari muri sare bwagati arimo arumva amajwi hakurya hakuno ko abantu baganira tayari
Somehow they knew.
hari ukuntu babimenye
Valhalla knew, and they're still
barahari arabizi
operational.
ariko haracyajya hari operasiyo zijya mbere sinzi arimo aravugana n'abandi agize gutya abona hari uri kumwumva buretse
Wait.
wibuke yari yarabicaye yuko hari abo hanze bavugana yewe umva arakomeye Mary
I can explain.
nagusobanurira umva ariko ubuze kwamvugana n'abantu bo hanze mva nkubwire abandi yabahishe gafite abana kominikana nabo hari umuvumbuye Mary aramukurikira jami ndani sasa kananga
Where are you?
ye uri hey rimara agenda fatana akantu kameze nk'akafera beto ucanira itara
What the hell are you doing?
urakora ishyano Mary rekera Mary yahindutse yabaye urwirungu tayari hey
He's been in there for like an hour.
ati mbanza sinzi ko wari bugumane paka
If you ask me, he shouldn't even come out.
yewe njye mbabagira inama n'uriya musore ntiyasohoka
No one asked you.
ariko nta n'uwabikubajije
If she can get sick from freaks, that means we can get sick from her.
bivuze ngo niba yanduzwe na biriya bintu byaturutse hanze dushobora kuba nawe yatwanduza
I say we lock her up and stay the hell back.
ati icyo nsaba ni kimwe n'uko twamupfunya tukaguma hano tumeze neza
He's right. It's not safe.
ibyo umukobwa avuga nibyo nta mutekano wariya mukobwa atujemo twakwandura twese
What, like she's some animal?
none se mushaka kumwita inyamaswa
Still a human being.
nawe aracyari umuntu
Just like Addie was.
nk'uko
Just
adi nawe yari ameze
like all of them were.
nk'uko bose bari ameze
No threat to us.
ariko nta n'ikibazo yadutwara
Even if she turned, she
You mean
can't.
when?
kaba nubwo yahinduka ryari
When she turns,
nahinduka
Mary can't leave that room.
Mary ntabwo yava muri kiriya cyumba aragumamo arajya mu kato
Look, I hate to admit it, but he's right.
mwana njye sinabihakana ariko usibye ko ibyo avuga ari ukuri nahinduka agume mu kato
I mean, look at her.
mwana murebe ukuntu ameze bro
She's a threat to all of us.
kuri twe wese yatubyarira ibibazo nta kindi.
Not to Grover.
Ariko kuri musaza wese.
Grover will do anything he can to save her. That's
Grover we yakora icyo ashoboye cyose kugira ngo arebe ko yatabara mushikiwe.
exactly why we can't trust him.
Ariko niyo mpamvu natwe tutamwizera.
Dude, at least he cares about her.
Yaba nawe yita kuri mushikiwe.
Exactly why we should trust him.
None se iyo niyo mpamvu tutatuma turi tumwizera.
Why didn't he tell us about her?
None se ubundi kuki atatubwiye ko mushikiwe arwaye kuva na kare?
Why did he hide her from us?
Kuki yabiduhishe?
Because I have a sinking feeling
Kubera ko nyafite ukuntu ndimo nabyumva n'ibyiyumviro byanjye.
we're gonna figure that out the hard way.
Turabimenya mu buryo bukomeye. Impamvu yabiduhishe. Hambiriye mushikiwe.
Mary,
Mary,
I'm here for you.
Mary ndari ku bwawe, sibyo? Gashikike.
Say something.
Mary gira icyo umbwira. Gira icyo uvuga. Mugenzi igerezaho ugutwi. Ati kill me nyica. Kugira ngo mugenzi njye kubagora. Njye kubatesha umutwe nahindutse. Unyicire. Banaho baza kuduporezo.
More peas?
Hari ukeneye amashazo?
Grover come down yet?
Grover nagaraza kurya.
What do you think?
Tekereza iki?
He knows we're pissed at him.
Bizko twamurakariye.
So?
Ago ni nako yemeze.
This isn't easy for him either.
Yewe ntago yimworoye namugapfa namwe gusakuza mwasama.
This isn't easy for any of us.
Muri twese namwe byoroheye.
This has been delightful. Gotta get moving.
Mwana nje kancomoke byari byiza gusangira namwe. Dance kagakobwa ka Violet. Kavayo. Neko mugenzi bajyaga bapingana mu kigo gahorana umushiha. Ati baye byiza baza ukarya.
I did everything that I could.
Nakoze ibyo nari nshoboye. Ariko nk'umuntu byanze.
There's just too many of them.
Ati byanga byakundu yabahindutse ni benshi.
This is not your fault.
Ati musore nagara amakosa yawe.
But hiding her.
Gusa kumuhisha. Ati nibyo nari nshoboye kuba nakora. Naye nakoze ibyo nshoboye nk'umuntu.
Let her sleep, Grover.
Ngamureka ryame Glover.
Come down and eat.
Ngwino hasi basu nabone icyo urya. Bari ku munsi wa kabiri nta kintu baraporeza. Danje aramworosa. Bande yari hasi barimo baraporeza. Tayari. Hey. Ndakubwiye uruganda rwaturitse. Baheze mu kigo. Ngenzi nyamunini nawe arimo ararira. Nyiribimogi nawe yarasigaje kimwe cy'uyu munsi. Ntago narekera kumutekereza uriya mukobwa. Adi ntago narekera kumutekereza. Yewe wibyishyiramo cyane. Ati nano ndacyumva amajwi ye mu matwi yanjye.
She had so much trust in me.
Ati niyo muntu wanyizeraga kurusha n'abandi.
And I let her down.
Ntago nigeze mutererana. Witekereza nabi.
So coach said.
Na coach niko yavugaga. Nimba yagiye byakire.
When you're going through hell, just keep going.
Niba uri murajyana mu kuzimu komeza ugende. Nta mahitamere guna afite. Ibyago byaje cyukura byakira. Gerageza urebe ko waruhuka. Kumbuye akaryamya. Wa mukobwa Mary uko ari hakuno tayari yaragize arahinduka. Ndacekira yaruka igenze. Nimuti kwizikurikira ndacyariwe Samaro hasta la vista. Bayitaga freakish. Ndabakunda cyane cyane. Right.